This video is aimed at beginners who are still figuring their way around YouTube. I've been using AI tools for over 15 months now, so I'm in a good position to share some insights on how realistic it is to make money with these tools. Over the past year, there have been countless YouTube videos discussing the significance of AI tools and how they have the potential to make you wealthy while completely transforming your life. However, it's important to understand that it's not as simple as plucking an AI tool off the shelf, pointing it in a direction, and then sitting back, relaxing, and watching the money pour in. One of the most exaggerated and misunderstood methods of making money on YouTube through content creation is using AI to create faceless videos. The idea is to create YouTube videos with AI. Upload these videos to your YouTube channel, attract a significant number of views from the YouTube audience, and subsequently reap the rewards through YouTube AdSense and sponsorships. But here's the catch, there's more to it, and surprisingly, not many people seem to be discussing this aspect. Perhaps because it's not the kind of news many people want to hear. Making money with AI is completely possible, but it's not nearly as effortless as it may seem. If it were that easy, we'd have millions of new millionaires popping up every single night. Let's look into the easiest and most straightforward path to making money on YouTube by creating faceless videos with the help of AI tools. We'll start right here, right now. Our ultimate goal is to build a successful YouTube channel that generates income through AdSense revenue, affiliate promotions, marketing, and sponsorships. Here's the kicker, we're kicking things off with no money, no prior YouTube knowledge, and absolutely no experience. Step 1 is choosing the niche for our video content. YouTube boasts various niches. Some are very saturated with prominent creators, and others less crowded but with a higher entry barrier. What we're aiming for is a niche that offers a smoother entry and, at the same time, faces moderate to low competition. It might be tricky to pinpoint such a niche on our own, but that's where our first free AI tool steps in, vidIQ. The beauty is, you don't have to shell out a dime if you're starting from scratch. The free plan can give you a decent start, and whenever you want more firepower, you can always upgrade to a paid subscription. If you toss a generic term like sports into the search bar, you'll get this type of result. And the reason is because sports is too broad. Our sweet spot is a niche with medium to low competition. To hit that mark, you need to dig deeper, search for more specific terms, explore keywords within a more focused sub-niche. You don't have to unearth every keyword related to your chosen niche, just brainstorm some keywords that pop into your head when you think about it. Make sure to take notes as you go. Once you've struck something and found a niche with that medium to low competition range, you can use the tabs within vidIQ to see related keywords, matching keywords, and questions centered around those keywords. If you notice that the niche isn't too crowded and it's well within your reach, scroll down to check out the videos below, and hop over to view them on YouTube. Always remember to explore the other videos recommended by the YouTube algorithm, and while you're at it, keep those notes handy. Now, let's move on to our second checkpoint. Up to this point, we've managed to spend $0. This is where we start shaping concrete plans for our videos. By now, you've probably watched a few videos and might have spotted a couple of flaws in how they were presented. Maybe you've even brainstormed ways to enhance existing content and add more value to it. After some thoughtful evaluation, come up with your initial list of 10 topics for your channel. Remember, it doesn't have to be a flawless list, you're just getting started. The third stop is video production, and the process involves crafting a video plan, scripting the content, and then using free AI tools to polish the final script. Begin by penning down the script yourself. Don't sweat the grammar or aim for perfection just yet. Your primary goal is to capture all your ideas within the script. After drafting a rough script, the next step is to enhance it by adding all the necessary details and significantly improving it using AI. Free AI tools like vidIQ Coach or ChatGPT are more than capable of helping you in this journey. Start by having ChatGPT review the script you've written and address any grammatical issues. Once you've tackled the grammar, it's time to employ ChatGPT to enrich the content. Here, you'll ask ChatGPT to inject more details by providing relevant examples where needed, simplifying concepts to ensure easy understanding for your viewers. These are just a few ways to leverage AI tools in script writing. As a bonus tip, you can also instruct ChatGPT to inquire about any specific details or preferences you want it to consider when finalizing the script. Afterward, give the final script a read through yourself, and if you're satisfied with the output, you're good to go. Personally, I prefer working on my scripts in smaller chunks, 1 or 2 paragraphs at a time. This way, it's easier to manage ChatGPT and spot areas that might need correction along the way. Now, let's move on to the next step, recording a voiceover. Your script is all set, and it's time to give it a voice. What's incredible is that up to this point, we haven't spent a single dollar if we went the free route. There are some fantastic free AI text-to-speech tools available that can help you create high-quality voiceovers. However, if you have a bit of cash to spare, you can opt for premium options that offer even higher quality voices. One such option is Descript, which offers both free and premium plans. The free option from Descript AI is among the best out there, and the best part is, it's completely free with no strings attached. Personally, I've used this one, and it's been a game changer. To create voiceovers, all you need to do is copy and paste your script, and it will convert it into a voiceover that you can export in your preferred audio format. Next up, it's time to edit the video by adding visuals that complement the script and voiceover, enhancing the overall value of your content, and driving your message home. There are text-to-video editors available, and some of them can transform your script into standard video presentations and even provide a solid AI-generated voiceover. Options like InVideo AI, Descript AI, Veed, Pictory AI, and a few others are top choices in this regard. However, keep in mind that this doesn't mean you won't need to do any additional work to perfect the final video. Of course, you'll still need to guide the AI tool on precisely what you want to achieve. Think of yourself as a co-pilot while the AI text-to-video creator handles the heavy lifting. Alternatively, you can use free traditional video editors like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. As you use AI tools to create your YouTube videos, you can also develop your editing skills for future projects. It's a win-win situation. Now, for the final step, it's time to upload your content to YouTube and share it with your target audience. Here's the secret sauce: rinse, repeat, and focus on improving one aspect at a time. With each iteration, you'll get better, and before you know it, you'll start making money. You might even stumble upon other ingenious ways to boost your revenue that you never imagined were possible. Before we wrap things up, I want to emphasize that YouTube automation alone won't cut it, especially if you're new to content creation on YouTube. Without prior experience, you might find yourself burning through your budget for a long time with little hope of breaking even. So, what kind of content would you like to see next? Thanks for watching.